Hello, is anyone here? This place looks so big and wet. My reflection looks wobbly. And that pillar in the water is crooked. Everything above the water is straight, but below, it's all wavy. Whoa! My reflection is a little slow. It's like it is playing catch-up. This is so strange, like a magic trick, but I don't know who's doing it. Look! The lights make two shadows on the bottom, and they move differently. The air above the water looks jiggly. Is it really hot here? Which way should I go? All these hallways look the same, but different. It feels like this room goes on forever and ever. So many blue tiles. I'll follow this wall. Maybe it will lead me to a door or something new. The edges of things look like rainbows. Red, green, blue, all separated. Wait, what's that over there? That arch looks a little bit different. Maybe that's the way out. It's not as wobbly as the other places. I have to be brave. It's okay, Nana. You can do this. Almost there. The water under the arch isn't as wiggly. Whoosh! That felt like walking through a big bubble. The pool room looks smaller now, and not so wobbly anymore. The rainbow colors are fading. Everything is looking much clearer now. My feet don't feel squishy anymore. It's like I'm on normal floor. Is this a normal room? No more strange reflections or double shadows. It's gone. The wobbly pool place is all gone. I'm safe now. What was that place? Was it a dream? Or a very strange game? It was a little scary, but I was brave. I had a big adventure. Now I can go home and tell everyone about the wobbly pool room. What an amazing day! I wonder what other adventures are waiting for me.